Hello everyone, this is Ataulajman and you are watching me through Source HD production. Reason behind making this video is to talk about those videos that I have posted a long time ago and later it became a copyright issue. So I would tell you about those videos a little bit later. So first I would like to talk about that I have my own production. I make my own videos. I create sounds and music for my videos, and my videos are 100% original. The content of my channel and every videos are created by me. My only purpose is to help and to serve my people, to serve my compatriots and those people who are interested uh, in the content that I have been making videos from a long time ago. Now I would like to tell you that I have posted some videos, maybe 4 or 5 videos a long time ago, which were not mine, but they were related to my contents. So I posted at that time. In that time, there were no copyright issue about those videos, and later it became a copyright issue with those videos. So anyway, I have deleted all those videos, and I won't post any video that be harmful for my channel. So first of all, I would like to thank YouTube uh, for such a wonderful and beautiful platform that we can express ourselves and that we can learn and educate ourselves about everything in YouTube. So thank you, YouTube, for this platform. And secondly, I would like to request YouTube to help me by monetizing my channel, as I have completed the terms and condition of YouTube that are provide to be monetized a channel. So I have more than 1,000 subscribers and more than 4,000 watch time hours. So my YouTube channel is legally eligible for to be monetized. So please help me and allow me to monetize my channel. And dear subscribers, if you have any questions, any suggestions, you can share it with me in comment sections. Thank you and take care. God bless. See you soon. Bye.